So back out with the camera, and the challenge is on, as I'm with another two people who ain't taking photos. So I'm quickly trying to take a photo before they get too bored. I'm back at the Dolmelynllyn Estate. Me and Nigel was here a few months ago, Easter time, and then somebody commented on our video saying, didn't you go up to the top falls? And we didn't. We literally only done the first couple of falls, but as I was passing today, I thought I'd have a quick look. And as we've had our first bit of rain in quite a while, I thought what a nice place to come and have a look at. So I think it was Colin Duffy that commented on the YouTube channel, or the last YouTube video that me and Nigel done up here, asking did we come up to the bigger falls, and I think this is what he was on about. I think the area is called Doed Clan Coed or something like that, or Doed Clan Coed. Yeah, stunning little fall, and I'm just doing a little vertical image. Also you've got the falls at the top coming down, and then the water leading out to the image. But as per normal, f16, ISO 100. I'm on the 16 to 35 in at about 24mm. Bracked in the shots, 1 over 1 under, and it's giving me a 1 second exposure. 1.3 seconds I'm going to go for. And everything's nice and still. Trees, nothing's blowing or moving. So everything should be nice and sharp in the image. But that's it for you, I think. I might do a little couple of videos on the way down to show you a few of the trails. Yeah, literally it's taken about 15 minutes to get here. Stunning. And as you can see up there, there's two people just walking up, so I think you can get up and have a look at the falls at the top there. You know, as much as I do love photography, and it does really chill you out and get you in the zone, it's almost having a reverse effect on me when I'm with other people who ain't taking photos. And I suppose, I don't know what the answer is really. Don't take them, or I'm trying to be a little bit balanced where I'm not taking so many, but I'm feeling so rushed. It's horrible, because these places that I'm visiting, I'd get in the zone normally and I'd stand there for about 20 minutes, half hour. So I'm feeling like I've got to take one photo and move. So maybe a bit of a learning curve of actually taking images quicker on the go, maybe. Yeah, running around there with our little cascade there, and then running down. Telling you, what a flipping place! It's absolutely stunning. And with all this bloody hot weather we've had, it's so nice. So a bit of rain and a bit of cloud cover. I feel like I can breathe. But look at all these rocks. They're lethal. They're lethal. I've been down once. Nige, that one was for you, my boy. But, another nice little, I don't know, image there maybe. So we followed the trail so far up, and then it kind of took you away from the waterfalls, but I imagine it leads to a nice lake if you keep on following it quite far up. But we're just having a quick look. Now we're going to head over towards Balgarret, and then maybe stop off at Llyn and then head over around the passes, around Beres Pass, and maybe over towards, what's it called? Oh, I can't remember, I'm used to these flipping names anyway. but well worth a stop off, well worth a look. Get some fantastic images on this trail by you. Let me know in the comments below where this trail goes. Is there any more waterfalls worth working up for and exploring? And yes, there it is. Next time I'm passing, I will definitely come here again, because like I said, when me and Nigel come, we literally done the first couple as you come through the gate, because it wasn't part of the plan to do anyone, but as we was passing we just thought we'd have a look. But absolutely fantastic. That's lovely, isn't it?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never.
I've intentionally missed out a few photographs because I'm definitely going to come back here and spend a bit more time here, but could have taken far more photos. Yeah, you're probably watching this video and thinking, no, I didn't take a photo from so and so location, but the plan is to definitely come back. There's a lovely little walk and some lovely little cascades and falls there. So we've parked there and we crossed the little stream, which was dry. But lucky now, should have come up that way across the bridge there. And we go into Llyn Stwlan, which is a dam that I've wanted to come and visit, because it's got a wicked little windy road coming from it, something like what you'd see on the old Swiss passes. But yeah, me and Nigel was going to come here on our last trip, but we didn't end up coming. That's another story. We're going to have a look up here and hopefully get some images, and then possibly do a bit of a loop walk up and around. And then I've just looked on maps and there's a another lake or reservoir just up that way, so might possibly have a look up there and possibly take a few photos of the little cascades of waterfalls over there. But I've seen a few videos of the road here, and you know, like the Red Bull races where they come down the lanes. I've seen that kind of thing here. I've seen classic cars and that come up through here, because it's like a really snaky road. But let's get on up there. Whoosh. It's been a 2k walk so far, so 1.2 miles, and the dam just up behind me. Quite a tough walk, but I am loaded up. There's quite a lot of stuff and I've been pushing quite hard, but well doable. This road, which you'll see on the photo now, is it's like a mini Alps, like something you see when you're driving down for the Swiss Alps. But look at that. I've seen like a Red Bull kind of style race, you know, they come down the mountain on like homemade carts. I've seen that on YouTube on here. You know, a few classic cars coming up through here. I'd be surprised if Top Gear hadn't been here as well. I'll have to have a look. But there's the dam. Gonna sit down now, chill out, and then decide whether or not to do like a you can walk right around the dam, a loop. We'll see. But my brother's come up for the day and I want to show him quite a bit of the area up here, so I don't know yet. Just made it to the base of the dam. They've been doing some repairs on it for a while, but looks like it's cleared now. At the wicked views behind us, it's the Transvalid power station and the Transvalid lake down there. But tell you what, nice pull that was, and still not quite up there. Bit to go. Lovely. And try and get up on here now, and then walk across the top. I can see some steps in the pathway. Apart from seen on Google and a couple of YouTube videos, doing this bit blind, but I think I'm gonna head up this path and see if I can get up that way. No jumping out of your vehicle into the reservoir. That's how low the water is. You can see the brown mark where it normally sits. So it's a good 5 meters there. Lower than where it normally sits. So, just been down at the dam, took a few images, and now we're gonna walk around the outside and do a loop around the dam. Looks like there's a bit of a pathway. Whether it is or not, I don't know, but absolutely beautiful place, honest to God. So peaceful. That's what you can hear is the sheep and the rattling in my bag. Look at that. Wow. As you can see, looks like there's a pathway around. Anyway, that's the plan. I done a vlog once and I said don't rely on the weather, and I said it a few times, don't be put off by the weather and the weather forecast, because today in North Wales it's meant to be rain all day, but as you can see it's boiling. I'll tell you what, the higher we go up, the hotter it seems to go. There's no breeze, nothing at all. Whew. And the view is just getting better and better. Don't rely on the weather forecast, just get out there. So we've come from the reservoir down there and we've walked up. You could see this track from down there, and looking at it, it walks or goes halfway across the mountain right over there. Then we're going to go to that point and then come back down the other side of the dam and back down. Tip of the day, don't rely on the weather forecast. There's no such thing as bad weather, just a bad choice of clothing. Be prepared for the worst, because it can obviously change. Tip 1. Tip 2, don't listen to the frickin' news. It's all bad news, all doom and gloom. Switch it off, get outside. That's what's going on in the world. That's what's going on outside your door. Enjoy it. Frickin' stunning. Shit.
That's the best recovery I've ever seen.
Got a Nigel Thomas special in, Nige. Owning up as quick as I could. That's how much she cares. Didn't ask us how right, just started laughing her head off.
I've never seen anybody get up so quick.
I nearly broke my wrist, that's why. I'm loaded up like a mule, yeah. Like a freaking mule. That crazy bastard. So we're halfway back down the trail on the other side, and I was just thinking, do you know what? If I get back down here now and I haven't taken a photo, I'm going to be really annoyed. You know, annoyed the fact I didn't take a photo, but annoyed the fact that I've just carried a frigging bag weighing the best part of 20 kilos and I haven't even taken a photo. So, just pulled up the camera for a quickie, and it's nothing special, but it's just going to catch a memory today. Got this nice little rock in over here, look. Obviously the lake, nice vista, all that, and some lovely clouds in the background. F16. Probably just focus on this rock now that's closest to us here. Focus on that, which is about a quarter way into the image, and then ISO 100. I got a Lee polarizer, which is just taking that glare off the water on the front, and it's going to be neat for a second. Just looking at the Instagram, it is just peeking on the right hand side, so I'm going to bring her down. It's under by a stop, so it's going to take 2 under, 1 under, and 1 correct exposed. But that's probably the only image I'm going to take with this camera. Looks alright, nothing special, but captures the day. That's it. Full loop of the dam, back down onto the other side, and be interesting to see what that road is like now leading up here. Might be an image to take. So, last image from up by here, and it's the obviously the dam, and then you've got the winding road in the background leading you down to the bottom dam, and then we're going to be bringing you back like there. Or it'll be in part 2 maybe. But thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.